I am so excited, like I can't wait. I chose the gold one because, oh my god, I'm opening. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the iPhone 13 unboxing. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, and then here it has the description of everything that is included in the phone. And you all know, like, the iPhone, the newer one, doesn't come with the USB and everything. So let's get started. Let's get started into unboxing this new iPhone 13. It has like two flaps here, one on top and then one at the bottom here where you can take it off. So let's go ahead and take this off of here. I am so excited, like I can't wait. I chose the gold one because, oh my god, I'm opening. Oh my god, it looks like yellow. I don't know, the camera is so deceiving and the camera is actually not bringing the light out of this, but if you can see my face right now, you can see like I'm so excited. This is magic. Look at this. It's heavy. Like, I have heard people say it's heavy, but then it's heavy. Like, this is gold. It feels like real gold. It's gold, and then I don't know, my fingerprint keeps like touching it. Okay, so let's put this aside and let's look into this. So this newer ones doesn't come with the USB cable or whatever it's called, but this one, let's open this. I remember like the past one that came, I just take this then and put it on my car, so my car will be an Apple car. But it comes on here. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is what you use to open and put your chip inside. I think this is it. I used to use my earring. Okay, and this is the charger. As I said, it doesn't come like this. It costs so much money and it doesn't like actually come with the whole thing. Yep, let me see if they put something in here for me. Nope, nothing. Okay, now let's get to the phone. Like, you guys trust me, the camera is not bringing, the camera actually makes the phone look white, but the phone actually looks like gold, like real gold, like a gold dot from the pit. And like, I am coming from like an iPhone 11, so this is how my iPhone 11 looks like, and like side by side with this, it is perfect. This one looks so lightweight and this one looks so heavy. So look at this, the cameras, I feel like it looks so puffy as compared to this. Like, look at this camera, it looks so small, and this one looks huge. It looks nice, I like it. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so it shows you everything. It shows you the on button right here. It shows you how to turn to silent or silent off or on, the volume up, volume down, and then the SIM card you put right here. So I think this is where you open it with this. Yeah, so let's take this off. All right. Y'all, this is my new phone. Ja, police, period. Okay, is something covering this? I don't think so. I don't think something is covering this, but then, oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay. So you guys, the iPhone won't actually let me continue. So like, when I put in the Wi-Fi, it kept saying SIM required, so I have to actually put the SIM in. So I am going to activate it with you guys. So I'm going to put my AT&T SIM inside this, and so let's get into the video. just going to wait on it for this to download. But for the meantime, you guys, let's talk about the camera. This camera is big. No wonder the camera quality is so nice. This camera is breathtaking and it's so big. It's like somebody just put something there. It doesn't look real, but it is actually real. I like the camera. And then let me show you the gold parts again. I hope you guys can see this, but this is actual gold. Not actual gold, but it looks goldy. And so this one also didn't come with the the old headphones, where headpieces or earpiece or whatever, where you can put it in. This one came with the charger being the same as the earpiece connector. So yep, so still ongoing, and it's saying finish on iPhone, so I'm going to give it a minute. So everything transferred, so like everything, like I mean everything, so my son is the background, like, so everything transferred to my new iPhone. I feel like I'm obsessed. Yeah, so everything transferred, and so not now, it keeps disturbing my life. So let's look at the camera. I haven't checked anything on this, guys, so like it's like I'm watching this with you. So this is the camera, and choose style, photographic styles. Anyway, I have no idea, but let's go to choose styles. Okay, so I don't know. So this is rich contrast, this is vibrant, this is warm. I obviously don't like the warm, I don't like the cool. So I feel like I like the rich contrast, but then I like the standard too. I don't know, I am kind of undecided. But I don't think I've seen this cinematic video in any of my iPhones that I've used previously. But yeah, that is it. But I will make a video of what I think is new on this iPhone as compared to my old iPhone, so watch out for that. And so yeah, everything is kind of, yeah, similar, since I transferred everything from my phone to here, so there is no changes I see. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever. Like, yeah, follow me. I do fun stuff. You see, nursing videos, everything videos, cook with me. Like, what don't I do? You love me. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just kind of showing off my iPhone to you before I say bye bye. Yep, that's it. So watch out for the next video of me comparing this phone to that phone. So yeah, see ya guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.